Joys of knowing people that work at the wrecking yards. You can just come here after hours and pull parts. We're taking an engine out of this Miata. It's fucking sweet. This place don't even really sell parts. They fucking crush shit. It's amazing. Pays to know people. Good old neighbor Joe here. Neighbor Joe coming through, sees a Miata and says, wait, let's get Josh an engine before we crush it. Fuck yeah. Love it. Yeah!
Oh yeah,
hell yeah.
Squish, but hey, we don't need that. His is faded.
Oh yeah.
Out of this. Down so we can wiggle it.
Oh, he can get it by going this way. Yeah, see? He knows what he's doing.
It's up. It's out.
Ka-chow. Mint. There's the motor. Alright, now I go to the bank and get the money. What's up, everybody? Today we are working on the off-road Miata. I'm just getting ready to pull this engine out, put the new one in that I have freshened up that I got from the wrecking yard. We got Chris up here working on the Mirage, getting an oil leak fixed. Today's just a day to work on shit. Yesterday. Whew. There it is. It's out. I just gotta take off that flying Miata clutch and flywheel, put it on my other engine. I actually gotta do the rear main seal on the other engine real quick. I need to take this lower housing guy off, put it on my new water pump. I think the other mounts are good. If not, I might swap to these ones. Yeah, I need to pop this intake manifold off because I'm gonna run this one instead. All right, time to. Oh yeah, and this is a brand new timing belt that I just bought, so I'm gonna take that off and put it on the other one because I don't have a belt for that. Yeah. Figure out how I'm doing this, what I'm doing first, and hopefully get this thing dropped back in real soon. Well, not this one. The other one, over there. Yeah. I feel so defeated. So here we are the next day. I did get the engine in the Miata yesterday. Got it all done, fired her up, got a couple starts, and then the starter went bad. Ordered in a new starter, picked it up this morning, put it in, instantly clicked. What the fuck? Whacked it with the fucking pair of pliers right on the solenoid, fired right up. I got maybe 4 or 5 starts out of it. Even drove it into my driveway. Shut it off, back to clicking. Take the starter out, call back to O'Reilly's, warranty it out, order another one, wait 3 hours, finally get it, put it in, straight to clicking. I beat the living hell out of it. It won't even start the fucking car. So over this shit. They're gonna have one on Monday. And if that fails, I'm just gonna get an OEM one. Because this shit's ridiculous. Just wanted a cheap little $100 starter from the parts store for the Miata. But no. But I got her going, I guess. I even swapped out the front suspension so it's back to sitting level, not raked. Yeah. I'm digging it though. I just can't wait to go enjoy it. I still need to put this sensor in and put coolant in it, but I haven't ran it long enough for it to matter. But it does sound very healthy. Builds lots of oil pressure. So once I get this fucking figured out, I guess I will put this video out. Because I've actually got some other upgrade coming for the Miata that I will probably be able to get done soon. So yeah, I guess we'll just leave it for there for now. Leave it right there for now. I can't even talk, I'm so out of it. Alright, peace. Fuck yeah, bud. Sounds mint, dude. Fucking got him. First fucking time. We're out driving the lifted Miata, seeing where the new wheels and tires rub. Fuck yeah. I'm rubbing my driver's side rear and the passenger side front still. So we'll see if I can see where that's rubbing at. Just out here mobbing the fucking lifted Miata. This thing's fucking awesome. Driving pretty good. Oh, there was a rub. I mean, we're cruising 50. Ooh, I smell the tire from that rub. Oh yeah. Oh, that's fucking dope. Yeah, we already spun some circles around these corners. It was quite fun. Yeah, bud. Car behind me is probably like, you crazy bastard. Got an Audi behind me. Alright, I'm putting this camera down for a minute. Getting to these residentials. So, looks like I'm missing a bolt from my lift kit plus the ball joint there. And then whoever put this ball joint on before I owned the car, like, you're supposed to tighten the nut and then put a cotter pin, not just line the hole up and stick a cotter pin and call it good. So yeah, it's been like that since I've owned this car, apparently. Yeah, you can see it ain't even fucking seated on there all the way. Jeez. Out with the old crusty dusties. And in with the new boys. We got those extended ball joints there. I'm gonna do the tie rods last. I've got to go do the other side still.
Yeah, Josh.
on that alignment rack. Getting that alignment done. It's on the rack. Oh yeah. Can't wait to drive this bitch. That Miata though. That Miata though. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Oh yeah, it's fucking mint, dude. We're driving straight. Oh, bumps, so of course we're gonna turn. But yeah, this is fucking straight. Couple more little tweaks to the Miata and she's ready to go full sand.